Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making BBQ Pulled Chicken. You will need 2.5 pounds of chicken breast, 1/2 cup of honey, 1 1/4 cups of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of molasses, 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 2 teaspoons of ground mustard, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, and 2 teaspoons of black pepper. To your slow cooker, add your ketchup, molasses, honey, apple cider vinegar, and brown sugar. Now add the garlic powder, onion powder, dried mustard, cinnamon, chili powder, cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, kosher salt, and black pepper. Now mix until well combined. Add the chicken breast to the pot, then cover and allow it to cook for 3 hours on high. If you'd like a printable version of this recipe along with other recipes, please visit my website at soulfoodcooking101.com. I have provided a link in the description below. After 3 hours, remove your chicken from the pot, then shred it into small pieces, then return it back to the pot. I'm excited to announce that the Soul Food Cooking app is now live. The app is free, and you can get this recipe along with other great recipes right in the palm of your hand. For information on how to download the app, check the description below. Cover, then allow your chicken to cook for an additional 10 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great